Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my 18th video and today I'm going to teach you how you can build a calculator using Python. So here I'm going to use classes. I'll be making an object of that class. I'll be using function. I'll be using variables. If you don't know what are these things, I would request you to check my playlist and please watch those videos. Then come back here. Okay, so let's create a class which will handle all the operations of a calculator. Let's define a class named calculator. Let's define its constructor. So now we are leaving it as it is. Now let's define the operations of a calculator. We will be restricting ourselves only to four operations: add, subtract, multiply, divide. Okay, guys, let's define add function. Add another function which will be don't know what is self keyword, please go back to my previous videos and understand it from the classes. Like I have a video which is made for Python classes. Go and see that video, you will understand. Similarly, let's define uh, divide. So here we go. Should return by y. What is left? Multiply. Here we go, guys. So our class is ready now. We are going to do, we are going to create an object of this class. Let's call this cal. The name of the object, it will be an object of the class calculator. We can call cal.add. So 2 comma 3. So here what we are trying to do, we are trying to call the add function of that class. Similarly, let's call other functions as well. Here we go. And let's run this now. As you can see, our class perfectly worked and our calculator is ready. So for addition, give 5, subtraction minus 1, division 0.067, 0.67, and for multiplication, create fixed which are all correct values. Okay. So now we have our calculator ready for basic operations, but here is a catch. Since Python is not a strongly typed language, I mean in Python we do not declare the type of variable before initializing it. So this x and y, this could be anything. This x, y, this could be anything. So let's call function add hey. It's done it. So what I'm calling, instead of passing an integer value, I'm passing a string. Let's see what will it return. Here you can see. Here you see. So it returned the concatenated string from the add method, and it will fail with the subtract, divide, and multiplication. So yes, this is a problem in our calculator. Means this calculator is not complete within itself. So For that, what we'll do, we'll define a private function in the calculator that will be used to check the digit whether the entered number is a digit or not. Self common digit. And what it will do, will be let's check if data is digit. It's converted to string. Let's see before converting it to string. Let's use this method just to check if comma y and return an error. Let's for now let's return error inputs for better understanding. Okay. In else case, return x plus y. Yes. Guys, one more thing, since we are calling a class method, we should use the self keyword, and let's see whether it works. Oh, surprisingly it didn't. Yeah, it's failed because the condition that we have left is incorrect. This should be here, and this should be here. Here we go. So as we have called hey and Harsha, it returned us that okay, there is some error in inputs. Rather we can have that like let's call in a let's define a message to invalid input provided and return this self dot message. So guys, right now we are only checking on the first argument, but ideally we should be checking on both arguments. We should be using and all that. Now we are getting invalid input provided error. This will control us like if we are passing the first value as integer and the second value is string. This line will check whether both arguments are proper or not. You can say integer also. So guys, it gave an error like integer object has no attribute. Remember, I was casting the variable to string. That is the reason, because the integer object or any other object does not have a isdigit method to implement. That is why I was casting to a string variable. So now you have understood why I was casting to a string variable earlier. You can see now it is checking for everything. There is also one more thing. This seems to be little catchy. Okay, you can call anything, you can use anything. Like you can call any of the four methods, you can use anything. So this is how you create a calculator in Python live. I'll leave entire text in the comment section of the video. Please like and subscribe this video if you like it. If you have questions, you can ask your questions in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video.